staying in a deluxe studio here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo. We do typically use a DVC broker when we get our rooms. We are not DVC members. However, we find it very convenient to book this way. Let's take a quick look around the room and see what it has to offer. These rooms are always great for families up to probably 4 or 5, easy. This is the type of room that we always stay in, so let's have a quick look. Just off the main hallway here, as you enter the room, you will basically walk right into the bathroom amenity facilities. This is the perfect feature, in my opinion, here. So what you'll have in this room is you'll actually have a double sink, super convenient and ideal when you're having multiple people staying in one of these rooms. What it does allow is multiple people to get ready at the same time. Super convenient, you know, especially as you're out rushing to get to the parks. Maybe you have a bus to catch or something to get there, and you have some reservation, maybe a dining reservation. So having this is super convenient. Just off here, you then have a separate washroom facility here with your toilet and your shower. So again, you can have people getting ready out at the sinks, makeup, hair, whatever, and then you can have someone getting ready in here and you know, utilizing the shower at the same time. So lots of people can get ready at one time, which is super convenient. Now, I don't know anymore, and if you know, correct me in the comments. I definitely know that H2O products are not part of the Disney amenity when it comes to, you know, body wash, shampoo, conditioner. I have always loved the H2O product. Anytime that I've come to a resort, always make sure that I grab the extra amenities, bring them home with me. Obviously they've stopped that now, and you know, it's more on the refillable side. I did hear something a couple years ago, and if you know, please let me know. I did hear that maybe Disney bought H2O or has the rights to it. If you know what these soaps are, let me know, because I find them to be very similar and I like them just as much. Okay, right off the bathroom, you will actually have a little kitchen area. This is super convenient for families. We've done this numerous of times with this type of room for this vacation. One of the things that we'll typically do when we're staying here long term is, you know, we'll hit up a Target or, you know, a Walmart before heading over to the resort. Or if we don't feel like doing that, sometimes what we'll do is that we'll actually get some groceries ordered and delivered over to the resorts, and Bell Service will help us out with that until our room's ready. So, you know, what this allows us to do is, like on a long stay, we can actually cut some of the costs by getting, you know, just some essentials, snacks, breakfast, cereals. You know, you can get your milk. You will find that there's different amenities within this kitchen that will, you know, support that and help you out. So in the cupboards, you'll have your paper towels. You'll actually have some, you know, can openers, bottle openers, wine bottle openers, forks, knives. They used to give actual dishes in these rooms. They've now went to disposable. Got some plates and bowls as well for your meals. And again, another convenient factor is a microwave, which is super helpful. Again, being able to rewarm food if you have leftovers, if you want to be on a more conservative budget. Of course, then you got stuff to drink from. You'll have your coffee maker in here. I'm a bit of a coffee snob, so I don't typically make the coffee in the room. I do like to go down and get my Joffreys in the morning when I'm staying on property here. But you got all your coffees and all your essentials to make your coffee. And then of course you have your toaster. So again, great amenities here. And then you get your mini fridge, which will hold quite a bit, or enough. And then under here you'll have your garbage and your recycling. Okay, as we continue our journey into the room of the Deluxe Studio, let's talk a little bit more. So you will have right away as you walk in, you will have your queen bed. These beds, super cozy. I love the decor. I mean, super themed to Animal Kingdom, to Africa, to, anything that you would expect when staying at an Animal Kingdom Lodge resort. Great artwork. Again, bed, really good. Love these pillows. If I could have these pillows, I would take them home. As you continue making your way in the room, you'll have a couch here. This couch pulls out into a double pull-out bed. So again, more room for folks to sleep in this room. As I mentioned before, can accommodate 4 to 5 easy. Anything more, you're probably looking at a little bit more of a cramped vacation. Again, artwork over the couch is just phenomenal. I mean, even the details right down to the lamps, it's just amazing. Like this place, these rooms are a little bit dated on the Jambo side right now. They are set to be going through a refurbishment. It's my understanding that they actually did a refurbishment or are in the process of doing the Kidani Village right now. But over here you got a little area that you can eat from. Tons of storage in this room, right? So if you're here for a longer stay, you will actually have, you have drawers here for ample storage, laundry, unpacking your bags. This is great. And then as you look for more on the, if you look for more on the storage side, you'll actually find like a little built-in nook here. You'll have your safe for your belongings. Ladies, men with longer hair, you got your dryer here for your hair, extra sheets, coat racks, and your luggage rack. And then of course, if you're like me, a dad, we all know what's up with dads. We love our thermostat, and we love fighting over the thermostat and controlling the temperature of the room. Okay, one of the features that this room has that I really appreciate, and this is something that they've introduced a couple years ago, is Hey Disney. And Hey Disney is basically an Alexa dressed up for Disney, right? So you can actually get a lot of your information from the Hey Disney within your room. You can actually not talk to, but you can order up your housekeeping stuff that you need. You can order extra towels, etc., through this particular device, and you can find out some other stuff. So Mace is here, and he's going to actually show a little bit more about what this can do. Of course, being a kid a couple years ago, there was things that he figured out that he thought were just like the funniest.
Okay. Hey Disney, tell me a joke.
What song does Lumiere sing when he wants to light up the room?
What?
Let it glow.
Ha. Ha. Ha.
What is the Hey Disney, what is the temperature today?
Right now, it's 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, expect a high of 86 degrees.
Now this is a great time to just hang out on the water.
Hey Disney, what time does Epcot open today?
Today, early entry at Epcot starts at 8:30 a.m. with regular park hours from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. There's also a special ticketed event from 9:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. What else can I do for you?
So I hope you liked what we showed you around the room today. Again, tons of amenities within the room, lots of storage, great place to sleep, super comfortable amenities, very, very, very convenient. You're right by the parks. You're a little bit further out with the Animal Kingdom Lodge, so you are going to have to do a little bit more venturing, but there's the buses that are available here for Disney transportation to get you to and from the parks. So you can get that information. You can get bus times and schedules right off your TV. Hey Disney, the app, and I'll show you a little bit more about the app later on. And in addition, You know, this resort just has awesome, like the Savannah views. I don't have one today. We're going to be in one tomorrow. Great. But like you can access and see animals at like just going outside here. So for the little ones, they love it, right? So they get to see animals, and you know the pool is phenomenal. We'll show you that too, and you know we're going to show you everything around the resort. So let me just kind of give you a breakdown of costs. So again, I use a DVC broker. I typically rent through a DVC broker. Now, I'm not being sponsored for this video. I'm not gonna advertise what DVC rental place we use, but you know, if you Google it or do a search, you'll find something out there. Typical rack rate for this particular room at this time of year, and like for right now, it's mid-March. Typically, what you're going to pay per night is upwards of $475 to $575. It's pretty steep, right? Staying on Disney property. So again, using the DVC broker service, I found a way to get better rooms than your typical rooms that they have available through just the Disney site, and actually able to shave off some costs. So this is actually really convenient when I stay for longer periods of time with the family, right? So, so as I mentioned, rack rate is about $475 to $575. Now, if you do a Savannah view, you're probably looking up upwards about another $150 a night on top of that. By using a DVC broker, so this type of company will, you know, buy someone's DVC points that they're trying to get rid of, and then they'll resell them. I paid $360 a night. So as you can see, I shaved well over $100 off my stay from typical rack rate. Now, we love Disney. We can't think of any other way that we would prefer to stay being, you know, going to Disney. So for me, it's a non-negotiable. I got to stay on Disney property, or else I'm just not going to be happy. It's not going to be for everybody, but you know, definitely does have its perks just being here, right? So again, rack rate $475, $575. Using a DVC broker, I was upwards of around like $360. So definitely super, you know, financially convenient for us anyways. But just wanted to throw that out there and give you guys a comparison on what you could expect to pay for a room like this.